Bree is back, and I'm better. I'm not better because look at my face. Look at my head. Don't come for me. I know my head's big. We see. We know. We see. Okay. Anyways, so by the time of this video, y'all already know what's going on. I will be doing a Q&A. Mukbang. Yeah. Yeah. These are. It's just wings back there. It's not a promo. I'm not gonna tell you where it's at, but these wings are good. No promo. These wings are good. These are their honey sriracha wings. I give you curly fries with it. It look good. It look good. I know. You ain't gotta say anything. I know. So, let's just get to the video. Oh yeah. Also, I forgot to tell you. I also asked people on Instagram like a few days ago to ask me random questions, you know. So yeah, I'm just be doing that. So let's just get to it. I eat my food. Oh, first before you eat your food, you gotta pray. Hold up, give me time. Okay, now we can eat. It's so good. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna stop playing. Alright. So the first question is, when is my birthday? My birthday is February 5th. Yeah. My birthday just passed. Not just passed, like I'm just saying it like my birthday was just last month. But it passed. But yeah. Next question. How old am I? I'm 17. I just turned 17. No hype, yeah. Next question. What's my type? I'm guessing you talking about boys. And boys, I like a tall, dark skinned husband. No, honestly, I only like tall boys. Like all you have to be is tall and funny. Yeah, tall and funny. If you tall and funny, you beat it. You beat it. You got me. But yeah, that's it. That's all I like. I don't care about race. But tall and funny. Yeah, that's all I can think of right now. But yeah. If I'm snacking, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Next question. My favorite color. Is blue and black. I was talking my favorite color. No other color can beat that. If you got a problem, we'll find. You can see me with black all the time, 24/7, bro. No cap. Next question: favorite female and male rapper. My favorite female rapper, Megan. Hands down, Megan Thee Stallion. Yeah, y'all like that, Megan? Yeah. But my favorite male rapper is Roddy Ricch. I don't really have a favorite male rapper, to be honest. But Roddy Ricch bringing out some bangers right now. So yeah, I said Roddy Ricch. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all, I'm talking my best not drinking soda. So I got this big old water. Yup. No more soda. We got soda in there, but I don't want no soda. I got Gatorade too. I want that. I want water. Give me some water. Yeah, y'all know about that water? Stay hydrated. Some of y'all don't even drink water like that. Y'all need to start drinking water. Anyways, but next question. What's your favorite shoe brand and what shoe brand you wear the most? My favorite shoe brand are Nike and Vans. I don't have a lot of Nike shoes, but baby, Nike beat it. And Vans, yeah, I have most of my shoes are Vans. So yeah, you could say I am a van fan. A van fan. Yeah. Okay. But yeah. Next question. How many piercings do you have and how many do you want? I have 3 piercings. My bar. Oh, my bad. It's on this side. My bar. And 2 regular. Just make a little earlobes. How many piercings I want? I want a lot of piercings. Okay. Would you 2 piercings? I don't think they're cute. I don't feel like that would kill me. But my nose. A lot of piercings on my ear. Or the tragus. When they just go through. Dang, just know I want more piercings. Dang. What TV shows do you like to watch? I like watching cartoons. Cartoon Network. I love Cartoon Network. I like drama and like mysterious, like Stranger Things type. Yes, some like Stranger Things. I'm sorry, it's a lot of questions on here. I do not want to answer. My best friend Laderica. This girl asked me how many pets you killed. She trying to be funny. She's trying to be funny. She's trying to be funny. Because I have had over 10 pets my whole life. And they all done passed away or moved. I understand. I haven't killed none of my pets. They just disappeared. I remember, I'm going to tell y'all a story time later. How somebody literally stole my dog. Like literally 2 times. 2 of my pets. 2 times. It happened twice. Not 1 time, twice. I'll tell you another story time about that. She's just doing that because she had them same 4 little dogs for like 25 years. Anyway. What is my biggest fears? One of my biggest fears. Before I answer this question, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this wing. Show y'all how good this mug is. It's just wing, bro. Hit them up. No cap. Damn DoorDash. My biggest fear in life. Spiders. Being hurt by a close friend or a close person to you. Being trapped. That's so scary. Being trapped, like I saw a movie where this girl, I think it was in Kill Bill. She was like trapped. See, she was trapped in a coffin and they dug her underground 6 feet. Man, if I was, bro, man, you gonna have to kill me, bro. You gonna have to kill me. What's my favorite restaurant? Right now, just wings. No sponsor, I promise. No, I'm smacking. I'm so sorry. I hear me smacking like loud. I'm sorry. You food good. No, but my favorite restaurant is just when now it became my favorite restaurant like 2 weeks ago. But it's just wings. Whataburger. What's a burger? Not Whataburger. If you say Whataburger, no, I just said Whataburger. Let me be quiet. But it's what's a burger. Yeah. If you didn't know that, now you know. Okay, but yeah. Wing bucket. Wing bucket be hitting. Wing bucket be hitting. Yeah, that's it. No, I'm sorry. This is how you supposed to eat wings. You supposed to eat it till no meat left on the bone. Okay, but what's the big goal? What's your biggest goal you want to accomplish? My biggest goal is being successful and being humble in the future. Cause I don't want to be like a disgusting person, like somebody who's not humble. Like, what if when I say what if, baby, when I successful, I don't want to be, dang, I can't think of the word. Well, I don't want to be the opposite of humble. I want to be humble. So yeah, that's my, I guess, yeah, right now. That's all I can think of. Next question, what is my biggest pet peeves? I'm gonna just name like 3. I don't like when people front. Like, baby, you know you did that. Front/lying. You know you did that. Don't lie. What did you lie for? If you did, it's okay. It's fine. What are you lying for? My second pet peeve is somebody calling me. Hold on. No, but my second pet peeve. Hold up. My second pet peeve is that's dang, what I say? Hey, I could swear I said something. My second pet peeve is I can't. I'm barely eating. I can't eat and talk at the same time. That's something y'all do not know about me. That's why I was like procrastinating about this video, cause I do not like eating and talking at the same time. I hate that. But you know what? It's fat. It's for y'all. When I'm eating, I want to be quiet. I don't want to hear nobody else talking to me. I need silence. But you know what? Who cares? I can't think of my big pet peeves right now. I can't think. But lying in front. That's what I'm going. How many siblings do I have? I have one sibling. My older sister. Yeah. What type of music do you listen to? I normally listen to like R&B, and I wouldn't say hip hop. Hip hop? No. Rap? No. I mean, I don't know how to say that, but hip hop and rap, ew. Like, just saying that get ugh. But yeah, those two. Like, yeah. Yeah. I don't know. But R&B especially, I love R&B. I love listening to R&B. And chilling. But I listen to like, sometimes I listen to underground artists. Sometimes I listen to like up artists. Or artists who about it right now. It depends on how I'm feeling. But I will be doing a video of my playlist, like all the music I listen to on a regular. I will be doing that soon, so if y'all wanted to know that, yeah, I will be uploading a video like that soon. Would you date more than one person? No. I've been seeing that lately on the ground. I know Kayla Nicole. I saw that. I was like, okay. I don't judge. But baby, do you. That's her business. If she feel like she want to do that, that's her. But me? No. I'm not into that. No. What social media do I use? All my social media will be in the description box below. Not bad. But yeah, all social media I use will be in the description box, so if you want to follow me or whatever. Yeah. That question is kangaroo. My bad. Do you think you will win against a kangaroo? No, I do not. I'm not trying to fight no kangaroo. You know how tall kangaroos is, man? I don't care how tall I am. I'm not finna be fighting no kangaroo for what? Baby, if we ain't fighting for no money, then I'm not fighting you. You know? No. I was playing that damn kangaroo. Kangaroo. I said kangaroo. Kangaroo. That kid. That's how I will definitely lose. No cap. No. You know what? Guess who asked that question? Laderica. Yep. We were talking about this a few days ago. Talking about who would win over a kangaroo. Definitely not me. Definitely. Even if we jump the kangaroo, we is not gonna win. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video. Look at my food. I haven't really touched it. Like I said before, it's good. Trust me, my food is good. Don't play with me. But I just don't like eating and talking at the same time. I just don't like it. So I hope you guys like this video. I want y'all to give me suggestions to do on more videos. Like, what videos do y'all want me to do? Cause I will do them. It's quarantine, and I have time to edit. So y'all go ahead, click if y'all want to follow me. Click my description over all my social media down below. And yeah, y'all, I'm crunk, bro. I'm weird. Okay, so I'm done with this video. I know I look like a boy this whole entire video, but it's okay. It's fine. But yeah, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm just touring the fries. I'm really eating the fries. I'm really eating the wing. I'm not even want wing. Now let me go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. You know, stay blessed. Be well. Have a nice day, night, evening, or whatever day it is at that time, at whatever
21
time. I gotta go, y'all. Bye.